Good day, class. This is instructor Mark for the KWEST program at Solomon College, and today we are going to talk about an e-commerce store associate position that I came across on the career website for Walmart. So let's look at what we'll learn in this video. First, we'll go into the job description and what they may be looking for. And then we'll look at how we are qualified and what skills that we have learned while studying in this warehouse training program that can be applied to this job. Last, I'll give you some tips for applying and for interviews. So the job is basically a a pick and pack type job where the warehouse is the entire grocery store. You'll see on the computer system, on the warehouse management system, an order that comes in, and then likely it'll give you a store location to go to. So after that, you'll go through to the store location, you'll pick all of the items. Maybe you'll use a trolley or some sort of cart where you can place bins. You can fill bins with the items that the that the customer is ordering. After you've filled those bins, you'll probably print a packing list, which you'll put inside of them. And then if the customer is going to come inside of the store and pay, you'll have it ready there, or you'll have it ready for customers who park in the parking lot. And in some cases, that's where they will be picking up their orders. This means that you'll need some customer service skills because you will be meeting the customers and greeting them when you're delivering their orders. So just imagine how happy they're going to be to receive the products that they've ordered online. Okay. Also, as with any retail store, there are always going to be some new products coming in. And so it's good for you to keep up to date on what those items are and how they are different from older versions and other items that might be similar. So when you are picking items from the shelves, you're going to want to verify and be accurate and pay attention to those descriptions and part numbers so that you don't mix them up. Also, if you complete all of your tasks, it's a good idea to have the initiative to go and ask the supervisor for more work. So, of course, the description says, order picker, or it says e-commerce associate. But once you're finished doing those tasks, there will be other work to do. And if you show the employer that you really want to do all of the work available, they're going to want to hire you. So that's my advice to you. So if we look more into this, they want you to have a Class 5 driver's license, and they want you to be older than 23 years. And I'm not sure why they posted that, because I don't think you're going to be driving, but maybe it shows that you have some sort of maturity, and you'll have to ask about that. But other than that, they want you to have certain qualities that are useful. They want you to be organized. They want you to have a strong attention to detail. They want you to have a willingness to work additional hours, to be flexible. They want you to have a positive attitude and to have very good listening skills. If you have exceptional listening skills, that means you follow instructions well, and during training, you're able to perceive if you're not understanding something, and you're able to clarify what they're saying. So during training, ask lots of questions. That shows that you're actively listening and that you want to do the job well. Don't be embarrassed to ask questions. Also, they want you to be friendly because you will be meeting customers and you want to represent Walmart and show that they're a good company. They want you to be organized and able to manage multiple customer orders that are coming in. They want you to have the self-initiative. So as soon as it's 9 a.m., if that's when your shift starts, you start working, right? You don't wait for someone to tell you to work. They want you to be eager and excited about the position, and that you're someone who likes to succeed and do well and who likes new challenges. So if you can show this eagerness and excitement about the job and wanting to do something new, because if this is your first type of e-commerce job, it's going to be challenging. But if you're someone who likes new challenges, then you're the right person for the job. They're going to want to hire you. So you need to be able to work independently, under pressure, and as part of a team. So working under pressure means maybe you have multiple orders coming in. The customer will be arriving in 20 minutes and you need to get them all done and keep it all organized and have it ready. So why is this important? If customers are ready and on time, if orders are ready on time, customers will be very happy with the product, and that's good for sales, that's good for the company, and that means you get more hours and more pay. So make sure your resume and cover letter are polished without any and don't have any errors when you are applying. Get someone to read your resume. Any typo, any mistake on those resumes and cover letters are a reason for the employer to throw it out and throw it into the garbage, right? They have hundreds of resumes and cover letters to look at. So any reason for them to decide, okay, I don't need to read this one, is good enough for them. You want it to look professional, and it represents you. It shows you care about who you are and your work. So a good resume shows that you want to do a good job at the company. Research the company, go to the website, research the role, look at YouTube videos. And so if you do this, this will help you, this will stimulate your mind. You have lots of questions to ask the employer when you apply. So that's what you want to do. You want to have lots of questions to ask about the role, the company, and maybe about shift availability, and really try and present yourself as someone who wants to eliminate all of the employer's headaches. Okay? You want to be the solution to the problem they were looking for. So, good luck and let me know how it goes.